How to register Foodpanda Rider. If you want to ride on Foodpanda and you want to register on the app, it is very simple. First, you download the Foodpanda Rider application and make sure that it is the official app, and then simply open it up. Once you launch the Foodpanda Rider app, it will ask you to choose your region or location, right? So you want to simply go ahead and then select your region. Now you can choose to sign in if you have already signed up for Foodpanda Rider, but if you haven't, you can simply tap on the apply option right here. So tap on the apply now button. Then it will ask you to turn on notifications and so on. Go ahead and then do that. Here, first of all, you want to go ahead and then enter your respective mobile number. And once you enter your mobile number, now depending upon the country, the language will be changed automatically. And then you can tap the next option. After that, you can simply follow the on-screen instructions to become a rider. Make sure that you have got a valid driver's license, a vehicle insurance, and other details as such ready with you. Now, after following the on-screen steps, you will be able to register on Foodpanda Rider. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.